issued a tornado warning for northwestern Day County in northeastern South Dakota, southwestern Marshall County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota,
from South Dakota.
until 5:15 p.m. 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh, dang it. Dang it.
Per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
This is not,
Mobile homes
this
will
is
be damaged or
wireless
destroyed.
radio.
Damage to roofs,
Don't you die,
windows,
stupid camera.
and vehicles will occur.
I know
Tree
you're
damage
low.
is likely. This dangerous storm will be near and over around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Finally got to
Around
a
5:05
different
p.m.
radio
Central
station
Daylight
that
Time.
has South Dakota
Other
EAS.
locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Langford.
This station
Take
is
cover
not
now.
available right now.
Move to a basement or an interior room
no,
on the
with the
lowest
radio
floor of a
Aberdeen.
sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Day, and Marshall.
I'm listening to a rock station.
Let's go ahead and get an update on the weather. And so we just have another brand new tornado warning that was posted. And let's get an update